My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This car has an automatic transmission. It has done just over 42,000 miles and has a 2-litre engine. As we approach the front of the vehicle, we can see features such as Bluetooth, voice control, navigation, and Apple and Android CarPlay. You also have heated seats, and we can see features such as lane assist, and electronic handbrake, and the GTI also comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.